Hi everyone and welcome to the Hit Parade Gold Signatures football card box break. Let's get into it. With one spot we have Ham. With one spot we have Jerseys and Stuff. With two spots we have Stallion. With 16 spots we have BEB PK7. And with 12 spots we have CJ. Alright, let's copy our list and paste it on randomize.org. Way too far. Right there. We'll be randomizing our list 5 times. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have BBPK7, and at the bottom we have Stallion. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but I'm not good with names. Alright, let's copy our new list. Alright, with the Cardinals we have BEB PK7, and he has the Falcons too. Ham with the Ravens, Jerseys and Stuff with the Bills, BEB with the Panthers, CJ with the Bears, BEB with the Bengals, CJ with the Browns, BEB with the Cowboys, Stallion with the Broncos, CJ with the Lions, Packers, Texans, BEB with the Colts and Jaguars, CJ with the Chiefs, BEB with the Rams, Chargers, Dolphins, Vikings, Patriots, and Saints, CJ with the Giants, Jets, Raiders, and Eagles, BEB with the Steelers, CJ with the 49ers, BEB with the Seahawks, CJ with the Buccaneers, BEB with the Titans, and Stallion with the Redskins. Alright, let's open up our box. Always excited to do these breaks, because it's probably the best box breaks I do, because there's always something fairly good in here. Dan Marino, Tom Brady, anyone. Alright, it's all sealed. Let's open it up. Alright. Let's see what we got inside. Alright. Who is this? Le'Veon Bell. That is a autographed rookie card of Le'Veon Bell. It's also a relic. Numbered. It's a decent card. Probably next break, I bet you there'll be a legend in there. That's a nice card. That is going to the Pittsburgh Steelers. See who's got that. Pittsburgh Steelers. That is BEB PK7. Alright, BEB PK7, you win a Le'Veon Bell autographed relic rookie card. I posted another one of these. If you want, you could check that out. I have a lot of new breaks going on, and I have a autographed NHL photo for only $2. Even if you don't like the NHL, you could probably make more money off the photo if you win it. So, I mean, it's a win-win. Also have the $1 breaks. A few spots left in this. I'll probably do that break today if it's all sold out. Thank you so much for joining. It really does mean a lot to me, and you're helping me out big time with my college funds. So, just thank you so much, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.